Once upon a time there was a lion. He announced that he was very sick and asked the animals to come and see him one last time. So the goat went into the lion's cave and stayed there, visiting for a long time. Then Shep went in before she came out. The pup also went in the cave to visit the lion. But soon the lion seemed to be feeling better and came to the front of his cave. The lion saw the fox, who had been waiting outside for some time. "Why do you not come to pay your respects to me?" said the lion to the fox. "Please excuse me," said the fox, "but I noticed all the animals that to have already come in to visit you. I see many hoof marks coming in, but none coming out, until the animals that have entered your cave out again. I prefer to remain in the open air." The moral of the story is, it is easier to get into the enemy's job than out again.